Marian, how did you go at the 2-day Melbourne Blooms?
Brilliant.
So you were telling me that when you painted before, what were your issues when you were painting at home?
Don't know when to stop. Getting muddled in the middle too much. Just not defining the paintings enough.
Yeah.
And getting lost.
Getting lost. And how was this process that you learned with the Blooms painting method?
I think it's
with
very
me?
simple.
Yeah, really simple?
And I'm surprised that we don't use that much paint.
Yeah.
Because my way, I do use too much paint.
Yeah.
On things that I don't want to.
Yeah.
So it's actually quite straightforward and it's good. It challenges you, the painting, the picture that you pick, but you actually have got steps to work it out.
Yeah, yeah. There's lots of things in between the guidelines that you've got to kind of work towards.
Yeah.
Well, excellent. I think you've done brilliantly well, and I hope I get to see you and work with you at some point in the future. So, well done you. That's a beautiful result. Congratulations.